Hello everyone, my name is Aarohi and welcome to my channel. So let's start with generative AI. Generative AI focuses on creating new content like text, images, or videos based on the pattern it learns from training data. And once our generative model gets training, after learning, it can generate things that didn't exist before. Now, let me give you a few examples. So, let's start with ChatGPT only. So, if you ask ChatGPT to write a poem, it will create a brand new poem just for you based on your requirements. So, another example is DALL 2. DALL 2 is also a generative model that can create images. For example, if you tell it to draw a two-story house shaped like a shoe, then it will generate an image that matches that description. Then another example is generative adversarial networks or GANs, which can create realistic images or even videos like deepfakes. So deepfakes are videos of people doing or saying things that they never did. So generative AI is all about creating new content, but it does not do anything beyond that. That means that it does not make any decisions or it does not take actions on its own.